Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, October 13th. It's 11 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'm just getting around to making this recording. It's only 5 p.m. Eastern Time in Hawaii, and um, I haven't refreshed my charts. This is still from the regular session, and you can note the date here in the title bar, and then also that there's no H indicating historical trades. Um, next to the trades here. If this was a historical trade, it would have this H here. So these are the trades that happened today in real time. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, I'm going to bring over the time and sales just to show you what time it is. Just a little bit after 11 p.m., the E-mini S&P trading at 1994.75. Okay, so I couldn't make a video yesterday as internet on the island of Maui was out for most of the day. This is very unusual that it happened, but unfortunately my internet went down within a couple of hours of the trading session beginning, and I did not have any internet yesterday. At the time my internet down, I had several systems that were profitable. Today I don't have a lot to show you, but it's noteworthy what I do have to show. There was only a few winning systems today. Most of the systems were stopped out at their loss limit, which I have set for most of them about $1,200. So the big winner today was the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 8 tick, and this trade would have made a lot more, except I manually exited the position here. I really only meant to exit one contract, but I ended up exiting the whole position, and this trade would have went to probably around here another 10 points, and it would have done much better. So when this chart refreshes, we'll see where this trade probably would have ended up. But yeah, I should have had much more, but it was a mistake. Nevertheless, still a big winning day for this system as it caught the short here and the long. So quite a fantastic setup. This is a limit order with a pullback of 4 ticks, and I want to point out that most of these limit orders price exceeds the limit order price. Okay, so even though this was filled at the bottom of the bar, the very next bar went lower, and the tail on this bar went lower still. So this trade was indeed filled. In fact, it was filled at this price you see here. Okay, next up is the Russell on a Uni Renko chart. Now, what's noteworthy about this chart is that this is the line break algorithm, and I'm also using the BWT parabolic exit. So the BWT parabolic exit mode is, even though I don't have it plotted on the chart, I will plot it on the chart to show you how it works. And also the precision trend exit would make it exit if a bar turned blue. I'm also using the precision trend filter for entries. So that means if we get a line break signal, which is this line, that the bar has to be blue to take the signal. Therefore, like this trade here, well, there wasn't a, it could have taken the trade as a line break signal, but because of the trend filter, it did not take a trade here. This can actually be very effective. It might miss some earlier entries like this, but it'll also avoid whipsaws. So here's an example of a whipsaw that was avoided. This would have been a line break signal, and it did not go short here because we didn't have red bars. And so here's our line break module. And in this particular setup, we're only actually using 2 line breaks, but because I have the trend filter on, it's filtering out some of the signals. This also hit its profit goal of 1,500 and a loss limit of 1,200. The profit goal was hit, as you can see here, 1490. So we'll just look at some of the trades here. Relatively small losers, but solid winners. And these are exiting before the reversal because of the parabolic exit. So I'm going to plot that as an indicator to show you how the parabolic exit works. So the indicator sensitivity for exit is 1 and 8 bars. So let me change the indicator. And so if we get a close below the parabolic, which has actually occurred on this bar, then it will exit at the next bar. And that's what happened here. Same here on the short. For a short, we have to get a close above the parabolic, and then it exits the next bar, as seen here. But 8 bars have to form first before this exit can be activated or enabled. So here's another exit because of the parabolic. Otherwise, it would have went all the way down here. So in this particular scenario, the parabolic exit is working quite well. So I wanted to point these features out in this video. This is unique to the BWT Precision Auto Trader, and these kind of features only came about in our Auto Trader through a lot of experience working with line break and various methods to get and keep your profit in an automated fashion. So it looks like this was the last trade before. No, there were several more trades here. Here's another example of the parabolic exit in a really good place, thereby not taking a bigger hit on these exits. Here's a split fill indicating that it was a live trade. And it was on this trade finally. It actually took till the very end of the day. You see the sell-off here towards the close. If I didn't have the parabolic exit, it could have taken this trade a long distance, but we had several trades broken up, and that's okay because this works when the move is only a short distance. You still get out with you get out of the trade very efficiently. This is a good example of that, and so is this here. So quite effective using our line break algorithm and our parabolic exit. So I'll just take that off to clean up the chart. Once again, because of the precision trend filter on the entry, we didn't have whipsaw trades going long in this downtrend while the bars are red. Only the short trades were taken. Okay, there's only one more trade that was profitable today, and that was the crude oil on the Superenco 7 tick, and that cleared about 390 today on 2 contracts. That's all I have to show you today. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website or call me at the number on the website, or send us an email to the address on the website. Thank you for watching today.